Alright guys, Jay here, and in this video we're going to talk about a trade copier trade copy program that I'm really happy with so far. And you know, that's really at the height of my compliment is when I say so far so good. I think that's on a scale of 1 to 10, that would be a 9. And I say so far so good. In this game, anything can change at any time. And for those of you that are new, this is Jay, Opkee Investors, and this is where we invest in other people's knowledge, expertise, and efforts. This has to do with money, of course, so it's going to be Forex Trade Copy. Let me show you guys where we are. And before we start that, remember, this is not financial advice, and if you take it as financial advice and follow just based on what we're putting out right here, you'll probably lose all of your money. So we're not business advisors, nor are we financial advisors and experts. We're just documenting our journey, and you're more than welcome to participate in any way that you see fit. So let's talk about this trade copier. So far, so good, as I say. Now remember, most of you are already familiar with how I test things. I do as much research as I possibly can. Then I will test the EAs, robots, or trade copy services, even signal services on a demo account, and then I will test it on the smallest real money account that I can. Now remember guys, you'll get different results with different things like technology and brokers too. So please do your own testing. I'm not just going to say due diligence because that's limited. Do your own testing. So let's take a look at where we are with this with this trader. He's a managed EA trader. In other words, he has an EA or a robot on his account, and he's managing when to turn it on, when to turn it off, what the money management is, things of that nature. So he's not a full manual trader, but he does manages his robot. Let's see where he is, guys. We started this, let's just say the 1st of June. The 1st of June, 24. Here we are. Today is June 18th, 24. And we're up almost 50% in 6-7 weeks. Now again, I never expect that to continue, but again, so far, so good. Now here's the key again. I'm always looking at this, and the drawdown is 12%. I'm pretty much now trading with house money because I have what they call an equity protection of 20% drawdown, right? So even on a 20% drawdown, I'll still walk away with a 20% gain, even if this what's the word that we use in Forex? Even if this account blows up, if my equity protection works and it stops it, I will be stopped out at 120. And right now we have what? 160. We're at 160. So we went from 107 bucks to 160 in less than 2 months. That's why I say so far so good. What else do I like about it? Look at the equity curve. We already know the equity curve is nice. I like that. The drawdown, only 12%. It trades almost daily. And guys, you'll have access to this. I make this available over the weekend, so you can go in and you can play with the My FX book as much as you want. And it shows us for this week, we're up almost 3%. This month, 13%, and it's only the 18th. So far, so good. Another thing that I like about this, if we look at the history, and you guys know what I'm talking about when it comes to Forex, especially in the age of these high-frequency trading EAs. We've only had 82 trades, less than 2 months. That's not bad. That means it's not all over the place. You're not seeing 30 trades a day, 10 trades a day, or even 3 trades a day. So I think this is relatively conservative for something that's highly, highly speculative. All right, so let's take a look at also. All right, guys, you can download this if you want to know a little bit more on how you can participate in this with this trade copier, with this trader, you can download this document in the free section of our Patreon group. And in there, we're going to just show you there's two ways to copy it, right? You can do it with an EA, or see option 1 right here. You can do that with our internet-based copier, which we utilize, Social Trader tools. And you can do that by bringing your own Social Trader tool, which is like 20 bucks. Or if you don't want to join our mastermind group, our shared resource group, you can just go ahead and just pay $129 and just do it all on your own, and that's fine. But as part of our VIP, you can just pay $20 for the trade copier, internet trade copier, and let that be it. It's very simple. It doesn't get really any simpler than that. And of course, if you already have what they call a VPS, hopefully you know what that is, virtual private server, then we can do an EA-based trade copier through FX Blue and or AutoFX Pro. And I put a couple of links there so you can do your research on that just to see which one will be more beneficial to you. But remember, with the EA, it's recommended. You don't have to, but it's recommended that you have a VPS, a virtual private server, or a dedicated computer that you can run 24/7. All right. And again, guys, you can get that document, and I will probably have more videos up on how to connect the different either trading, copying robots, or even the social traders tools, and how to trade this directly into your account. So far, so good. And again, guys, the reason why we tested with $100 because you can always scale and do multiples depending on what you're trading. Let me give you a quick example on that. Now we'll go a little bit into, we'll go deeper into this later on, and especially in our VIP. But as you can tell right here, this is our Plexi Trade account, and this is our $100 account. See, so we're up 161, as you can see, verified with the My FX book, and that's the real money account. But at the same time, we're having it copied into, this is a bonus right here, man. We're having it copied into our Daranex account, which is $100,000, and I'm trading full lots. You can see right there, I'm up what 164 for today, and look at these multiples, and it's only 86. 88 cents in the $100 one. Guys, you can't see that, can you? Let me see, can I move that? There we go, see? And it's the exact same thing, but what I'm doing is I'm trading different multiples, different lot sizes, but they're the exact same trade. So I can take that $100 account and copy that to my $100,000 account. More about that, that's just in some of our trade planning and how we're utilizing robots, signals, and also trade copy to trade larger accounts. So we have this particular one on anything from $100 account to, as you can tell, $100,000 account, but the sweet spot is playing with this in about the $1,000 range for us. Remember, if you do exactly what we do, you could lose all your money. I know, bad sales tactic. All right, guys, go out there and make some real money, and until next time, peace.